Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with a review of this 2015 Silverado that we just took in on trade. It's an LT edition. This thing's it's got a lift and leveling kit on it, some aftermarket tires, a little more aggressive, tinted windows. This thing is in really nice shape, really good shape, tonneau cover. It's bed mat, everything. It's in really great shape. We just took this in on trade. It did go through our shop, and we put all of our vehicles through a strict 127-point inspection. So you know whenever you're buying a vehicle here from Diane Chevrolet that you know you're getting a good vehicle, and we wouldn't put our name on it and put it on a lot if we didn't trust it. So also this vehicle does come with our lifetime powertrain warranty. So if anything goes wrong with the engine or transmission, we will take care of it. If you want more information on that, contact me. All my contact information is below in this description of video. And this vehicle also comes with whatever's left of the manufacturer's warranty as well. So we offer local pickup and delivery for any service work. So if you live close to us, we will pick up the vehicle and we can deliver it back. And if you need a loaner vehicle, we do offer loaner vehicles as well. We're actually one of the only dealerships in the area that still offers loaner vehicles. And we're about ready to celebrate our 40th anniversary here coming up later this year. So we couldn't have done that without taking care of our customers. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button on my channel, and make sure you follow me and give me a thumbs up on this video, and follow me on all my social media sites so you don't miss any of my contests. All the links are below in the description for my Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and everything. So make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and let's head out to the lot and take a look at the vehicle. Alright, Chevy Dave here with this 2015 Silverado that we just took in on trade. This is a super nice one owner vehicle. It's got a lift with a leveling kit on it, along with some aggressive aftermarket tires. It does have tinted windows along with the vent shades. This truck is in great shape, real low mileage on it, Z71 package, 4-wheel drive. Does have the tonneau cover along with the easy lower tailgate and a bed mat in the back, if you can see inside there. This vehicle does come with our lifetime powertrain warranty. If you want more additional information on that, feel free to message me and I'll go over that with you. Let's take a look at the inside. Alright, it does have power windows and power locks, of course. Keyless entry with remote start. Does have the trailer brake controller up here. It is 4-wheel drive. Does have the all-weather floor mats down here. And then here's a look at the rest of the interior. I always zoom in on the seats and on my vehicles. This is vehicle's in great shape as far as the seat. Alright, it does have the cruise control along with Bluetooth and steering wheel controls up here. And then here's a look at the gauges. Currently it has 27,426 miles on it. That may fluctuate by the time you get out here, but it should be pretty close to that. So it does have the trailer brake controller over here. Whoa. Alright, and then it does have the Chevy MyLink radio system. And then it has OnStar as far as the navigation, and then you can plug in your smartphone, if it Android or Apple iPhone, and get the Google Maps to display up on this screen with the apps for them. But then it does have AM, FM, and then there is a CD player down here. Here's the climate controls down here, and then as long as the stability track off, the cargo light, so you can turn the cargo light on in the back with that. So this truck is in very good shape. Like I said, we just took it in on trade. We do price vehicles to sell here at Diane Chevrolet, so this will not last very long. If you're interested in it, all my contact information is below in this description of this video. Make sure you hit me up with a thumbs up and comment on this video if you like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media sites so you don't miss out any of my contests that I run or miss out on a super sweet vehicle and videos. So once again, this is Chevy Dave at Diane Chevrolet, where we make car buying great again. Thank you.